Hi, my name's Liz and I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And today I have a mistake. We don't know that yet, but I bought another micro bale from America Thrift Supply, and I did a video of me unboxing their dress one, and it was pretty terrible. So today I bought the leggings box, and I'll pan you a little bit to see if you can see it. But pardon the mess behind it, but that's like one little chunk of it there. It's 100 pounds of leggings, and I can already tell that it is not all leggings. I've just opened the package. I have not looked at anything yet, but I can see that it's definitely not all leggings. So I have no idea what to expect. I don't have the best expectations, but my cost of goods should be under $1 an item. I paid $127.50 for this after a discount code. So we're just gonna dig in. My hope is to be able to send a lot of this to ThredUp or to Plato's Closet, have a handful of things that are decent enough for me to take the time and list for myself. And this is already off to an interesting start because they have a hole, multiple holes, and there's no tag. So my guess is that although these are cute, that these are going to just get donated. So great start. This is a pair of shorts. These look like maybe kids because they say X. Yeah, these are kids Adidas shorts. So that's not leggings, but that's fine. I can probably take those to Plato's or ThredUp. Should take those. These feel like a pair of tights. These have no tag. They're a pair of like stocking style tights, not like leggings. And everything's gonna have this tag on it, which is from the company. I think they sell stuff in a thrift store, and then what doesn't sell is what they send here. So my Plato's won't take these. ThredUp doesn't take things without a size, so those have to get donated. Those are not worth my time to list. This is Vanilla Bay, and these are kind of like faux suede type leggings. I was hoping that things would be like activewear leggings and not so much this, but we'll see. The size tag is too worn, so these can't go to ThredUp. So we'll try Plato's with those. Everything is super wrinkled, which is what happened last time too, but that's fine. These are Massimo. They're a pair of gray cropped leggings. Plato's, or I don't think Plato's will take these honestly, but maybe I can try them. But ThredUp doesn't take Target brands right now, so can't send them there. And these I don't see a tag either. These are gray. They have a little side pocket, so no tag. They will try Plato's. And what Plato's doesn't take that I can't send to ThredUp, I'll probably just end up donating because it most likely isn't worth my efforts to list these things. These have no markings again. I'll try Plato's. Alright, these are like mustard yellow. These are Time and True, which is Walmart. These aren't terrible, except that ThredUp won't take those, so we'll try Plato's. Okay, these are Old Navy, the Stevie pants. So ThredUp does not take Old Navy, but at least these, someone tried to sell them for $2 at a garage sale. At least these are branded and have a size. So I'll put these in my own list pile for the moment since we have nothing else yet. Hopefully we find a few more. Okay, this is like what I was hoping for. These are just RBX, but Plato's will totally take these from me. And they have a size and a brand, and they're the athletic type of legging. That's what I was hoping for. Zumba. I don't think I've ever sold Zumba activewear before. They're printed. They say Zumba all over them. I'll look them up and see if selling Zumba stuff is worth it. I sell like Peloton or like SoulCycle stuff, so I don't know if Zumba's worth it or not, but if they aren't, then ThreadUp should take those at least. These are some more just like stocking type of leggings. Those have no tags, so those can get donated. These are Tea and Rose. They're more like pants than leggings, like stretchy pants. If they have a size tag, they do. Those can go to ThreadUp. Great. This is a pair of jeggings. These are Hue. So they have a size, they have a brand. I would not consider these leggings, but ThreadUp should take those. We have some brown pants here. They're size small, but they have no branding on them. I will give them a shot at ThreadUp. Sometimes they take unbranded things. As long as it has a size, there's a chance they'll take it. New mix. I'm not even going to show you all these tags because they're not anything that you want to be picking up. So these are one size. I don't know if ThreadUp will take one size if it says that it's one size. I will probably just try them. What I send to ThreadUp, I will probably do like the no return thing because it's not worth it for me to pay to get these things back that I don't want to list. These are Massimo. They are cropped black leggings. I highly doubt Plato's will take those. These are interesting. Online leggings store, size medium. And they say rock all over them. Those are interesting. Okay, so I will send those to ThreadUp because Plato's absolutely does not want those. I think these are LuLaRoe, which I thought we might get quite a few of. Yep, LuLaRoe. I think ThreadUp. I know they take other LuLaRoe stuff. I don't know if they take the leggings because of the sizing, so I'll look that up and see before I send them. If I get a whole bunch, then I could probably just lot them up and list them for fairly cheap on my own too. These are another pair. These aren't the worst for LuLaRoe, actually. Let's see how many we get. I'm going to put them in their own pile. So that's 2 so far. I think these are another pair. Yep. These are gummy bears and fruit. That's 3 of them. And this might be 4. Yep. These are not the ugliest LuLaRoe I've seen before, honestly. Okay, I don't see any more right now. I guarantee there's more in there. These are Legging Depot. These feel like ones you wear like when you're going skiing or something, like not like meant to be a base layer kind of pants. These are more tights. These are Active Basic Small Medium. They're super pilled. I'll just get rid of those. Then we have Forever 21 size large. These are just black. I will try to take those to Plato's because they will not take Forever 21. These are straight up long johns. Tamamar. I don't know that brand. I'll look it up because sometimes like I'll sell these from Patagonia and stuff. So if those are anything decent, I'll give those a shot. These are Sweet. That's all it says. Sweet. They're cute at least, but we'll try ThreadUp. Then we have Danskin, which my Plato's does take, but these look like low-rise crop. I don't know if ThreadUp takes Danskin because I think Danskin is Walmart, but maybe they do. These feel exactly, yeah, these are another pair of the Sweet. These have the tag. Those can go to thread up too. No Boundaries. These are like red with black detailing. I don't know if Play-Dohs will take those. What the heck are these? These have writing on them. Teespring. Isn't Teespring like merch? Hit 'em with the hard T, bar none. I will have to look that up. Those are really interesting. I think Teespring makes like YouTubers merch and that kind of stuff, so maybe that's somebody's merch and it's worth something, but probably not. Exertion. I think these might be Walmart too, or like something like that. I'll try Play-Dohs. These are Victoria's Sport, but they're pretty boring. They're just gray. My Play-Dohs likes Victoria's Sport, but they usually really like activewear leggings, not so much these like wear under your clothes leggings, you know what I mean? These are Under Armour and these are sweatpants. Definitely not leggings. The tag is pretty destroyed, but I don't know if ThreadUp will take these because the tag is such a mess, so I might have to try those at Play-Dohs. These are athletic. I know I see this everywhere. I have no idea where it's sold. These are just another pair of sweatpants. They have quite a lot of fuzzing on them, so I don't know if anyone's gonna take those or not. Time and True V-neck t-shirt. That is absolutely not leggings. See if Play-Dohs will take that. SB Performance. Don't know that one. These are cropped sweatpants. Thread up. And I wish I had like a clothes mentor or style encore or something around me that I could take some of these more like mature styles that Play-Dohs won't take, but they are nowhere near me. So these just have ST there and no tag. I don't think Play-Dohs will take those, and I can't send them to ThreadUp. More No Boundaries. These are just black low rise. I don't think Play-Dohs will take them. These are Victoria's Secret, but they look like pajama bottoms. I'll try ThreadUp. Nothing great yet so far, but we kind of expected that, right? After how bad my last one was. I don't know why I ordered another one, but these are like tights again with no information. More black. Terra and Sky 3X. I might try Play-Dohs with these because I can't send them to ThreadUp, but my Play-Dohs does like take more lenient kind of stuff with the bigger sizes because they get very little like plus size stuff. These just say 100% acrylic with no other information. That's unhelpful. These feel weird. Okay, these are Old Navy, size small. Oh, they're actually new with tags. That's exciting. They're very, like a very weird cut. They're like, look how wide that band is, but then they're pretty low rise. I don't know about those. I'll try Play-Dohs. These look like LuLaRoe. Yep. Oh, wow. These are Christmas cardinals. Those are interesting. I think that's pair number 4 for LuLaRoe. These are No Boundary. These are low rise-ish, size XL red pants. See if Plato's wants them. I'm hoping to get like 2 pairs of like halfway decent leggings would be just nice. These are Nautica, size medium. Try thread up. These are someone's like dad's Hanes. No one's gonna take those from me. They're super pilled and worn. These just say XL. Just black at least. I'll try those at thread up. These are Old Navy. The Balance legging, size large. I will take those to Plato's. They should take those. They took a couple pair of Old Navy leggings from me this morning, actually. These have no information. They're just gray. Donation. And like, normally I would try and save as much stuff as I can, but when it has no information on it, like, how am I supposed to sell any of it? You know, like, if it's a pair of jeans and it has no size, I'll do the measurements, but like, with these, it's they're not any good brand that's worth the effort for that, or I don't know. DK, handle with care, do not bleach, no size. They're just a pair of brown tights. Might try these on. I don't have any brown tights. If they're my size, I'll keep them for just personal use. Bobby Brooks medium. I'll double check, but I think thread up should take that. These feel like they're from Amazon. No Boundaries 2X. These are super dated. Donation. I didn't donate very much from my last one. It was maybe like 10 pieces because they were either like ripped or like just really ugly, but for the most part I just sent everything into thread up and let them do with it. These are more LuLaRoe, but these are like, I could sell those in a bundle for $5. I'm just gonna donate them. These are like scrub pants, natural uniform. Yeah, these are scrubs. I don't think thread up will take scrubs, and obviously Plato's won't. And I'll list like I'll list Figs or even the Grey's Anatomy ones I've sold quite a few times, but not that brand. Let's see. No Boundaries. These are like fake denim looking ones. A lot of Walmart. This box comes from Alabama. So if that has any opinions to anyone on the stuff that's in here. These say Warner. They're a large, extra large. Thread up can have them. These feel halfway decent. Oh, these are Nike. Okay, we'll list these. I don't even list that much Nike. A lot of the time I'll take it to Plato's, but in this box, these are in decent shape. I'll list those. Like, I wouldn't mind if we got like 5 more pairs of those, maybe 1 pair of like Aloe. These are Nike too. These are more of a jogger style. They have something on the back, but I think that should come out in the wash. I'll wash those. These are some nice plaid Christmas leggings. Climate Right by Cuddle Duds. Should be able to send those to thread up. The last box, I made all my money back just on thread up, and then I listed like 12, I think, items myself, and 2 of them have sold. They didn't sell for that much. It was like 2 Target things, but like that was like, I probably made $25 from those, so I'm in the profit, like $25. I haven't taken stuff to Plato's because most of the dresses are summery. These have no information there. going to get donated. My Play-Dohs doesn't take things out of season, so I have to wait a little bit for being able to take those dresses to Play-Dohs, but I have like 15 to take there. These just say medium, so I'll try Thread Up. They don't feel very nice, but it's worth a shot. These are Color Story. They might be maternity with these like elastic bands on the side. I'll try Thread Up. Here's some green ones from Charlotte Russe. I don't know if Thread Up will take that. And my Play-Dohs will take Charlotte Russe, but not that. They will definitely not take those. These are Active, size extra small. Some gray with embroidery on them. Thread Up should take them. Oh man, do you guys remember these? I had a pair of these in high school in like 2010. These are brutal. They have no sizing. They probably came from like a grocery store or something. Wow, those are a relic. They did not stay up on your body. They would slide down. You'd be pulling your pants up all day long. Those are horrible. Chances are seamless. Don't know anything about those. They're very pilled though, and they're not worth my time to sweater shave. And here we had this tag earlier before, so we have another one of those. Try Thread Up. These have stirrups on them. Just extra large, black, low rise. Thread Up. These are Hue, extra large. Try Thread Up with those. Here we have Danskin, extra small. These are like cropped flare. Those are pretty rough. Try Thread Up. I think we have some more LuLaRoe. Maybe not. What the heck? These are weird. Okay, so they have like skulls on the middle part. I don't see any branding on these. Yeah, there's no size tag or anything, so these can get donated. Those are super weird. Okay, these are More Time and True. I don't think my Play-Dohs will take them. My donation pile is much bigger than I would like it to be. Okay. Garbe Luxe. Anyone know that one? These are, honestly, might try these at Play-Dohs. Because they're like boot cut yoga pants style. And for some reason that's back in again. These are Old Navy size small. I don't think Play-Dohs will take them from me. I can try though. These are more like jeggings. These are pink. These are Sarah XL. I'll try Thread Up. The tag was cut out. Let's see if we see a logo anywhere. No. These are like distressed leggings. That's kind of odd. So I can't send those to Thread Up, and I highly doubt Play-Dohs will take them, but I can give it a shot. Stop Everywhere. These are very high rise. I'll try Thread Up. Loft, and these are literally like a trouser. I'll sell them. That's so weird. Loft petite size 4 in a trouser. Absolutely not leggings. I think really that like they just take like their whole pile of like the whole aisle and go like whoosh and put it in one of these things, and whatever was in there is what was like in there. There's no going back. These are Alfred Dunner. If you know, you know. He is everywhere in the thrift store. They have a bunch of dust on them, so I'll wash them, but ThredUp should take those. More Bobby Brooks. These ones are printed. I thought they were LuLaRoe, but they're not. ThredUp. And these, the tag was cut, but it looks like old. Yep, it's Old Navy. That looks like Old Navy's tag. I'll try Plato's. These are more like tights. Show. I don't think that's like anything interesting. I think that's like Amazon or something, but I'll see if ThredUp takes them. And here's some sweatpants, Danskin. Cropped bright blue. ThredUp. These feel like LuLaRoe. We have some solid LuLaRoe. Interesting. Okay. That's number 5. We have more No Boundaries. Just black. Some jegging type. Exhilaration from Target. I wish ThredUp still took Target. It's so annoying. These are definitely LuLaRoe. Yep. That's number 6. I want a really, really ugly pair. I think they're hilarious. Okay, these are new mix. So I wonder where this is sold, because we've had quite a few of these. So it must be somewhere that's like readily available in Alabama. Some black and white. Pink Republic. I think that I've seen that at like TJ Maxx. Those can go to ThredUp. Aerie. Yay. Okay. I might list these myself for like $15, or my Plato's should take those. I'd love to see some more of those. I definitely pick Aerie up. These, I don't think have a tag in them. There's like just this papery, worn, made in the USA, size 14, black pants. I don't know what to do with these. I don't know. Guess just donate them. Oh man, these have to be LuLaRoe. Oh wow, these are a weird one. These look like the plus size one. Yeah, these are plus size with weird elves. Yes. Oh man, okay. That's number 7. Some more brandless tights. My thrift store is going to be like, what the heck are we supposed to do with all these weird tights? Okay, this just says a large gray. They have a weird, like, textured waistband. These are more tights. Karma blue. Don't know that. We'll try ThredUp. These look interesting. Zinea. I think this is like Amazon or something. These are some joggers. Try Plato's. These are just a weird little tag that says small. I don't think anyone's gonna want them, but we'll see if ThredUp will take them with no brand. These are 7. I definitely don't pick up, but at least it's a brand. ThredUp. I see more LuLaRoe. These ones are bad. Oh man. Oh, these are no boundaries. Tell me these don't look like LuLaRoe. Oh my god. Those are bad. Wow. I think those can get donated. Red Camel. Anyone know that one? Some leggings. Thread up. More Charlotte Russe in like the exact same pair that we had before. I don't know if thread up takes them. Eye candy. I will try thread up. This is definitely like pajama pants. What do we have here? These are airy pajama pants. So, I don't know. ThredUp doesn't take pajamas. They're not that useful without the top, but I guess I'll list them. These are All in Motion, extra small. My Play-Doh should take those. We have no brand, just medium. And they say hearted in cracked letters, so those will get donated. And then we have pink, Victoria's Secret. I will send, they're quite worn, but I'll try thread up and see if they'll take them. A New Day, which is Target, but these are cute. Not leggings at all, but that's fine. I'll take these. They look pretty recent too. 2020. I will sell those. Old Navy, size large. Just gray. Play-Doh should take them. Rachel Zoe. Thread Up should definitely take these for pretty decent money, actually. I would bet I get like $5 for those. They usually give me a good amount for Rachel Zoe when I pick it up at the bins. Might have another pair of LuLaRoe here. No, these are Bobby Brooks again. Just no brand, black, size medium. Time and True. These are like meant to look like a sweater. Donate. I'm gonna say we're like halfway. These are Hue. I think ThredUp will take those. These are Champion. They are old looking. They're probably when bootcut was originally cool. They have some bleach spots, so those will just be trash. Or I'll just donate them. What's the difference? If I throw them away or someone else does. BCG Cold Weather. So I don't know about these. I don't know this brand. I might look this one up to see. And if we got like more than one pair of them, I would maybe bundle them together because I've sold base layer stuff a few times. Maddie M. I think that's TJ Maxx. Thread Up. Nikki Bicky. These friends are so weird. Little tights. Try Thread Up. Some sweatpants. The messed up tag. Let's see. Onique Casuals. Size medium. Sweatpants. Thread Up. New York & Company Sport. Cropped black pants. Thread Up. Justify, size medium, thread up. These are like fold over yoga pants. Yep, Yoga is the brand, size medium. I might try Play-Dohs with these before I take them to thread up. Yoga pants seem to be cool again. I don't really know why they're annoying, but Divided, which is H&M. These are some little sweatpants that are like rolled joggers. I'll try Play-Dohs. Let's see. No Boundaries, tie-dyed. I might give them a shot at Play-Dohs before I donate them. These are faux leather eye candy, size small. I like the very faux leather. Try thread up. Oh, my back's starting to hurt. This is hard work. These might be LuLaRoe. Let's see. Nope. No brand, no nothing. These feel cheap. No Boundaries. I think we had a pair very similar to these before in another color, didn't we? Donate. Rue 21, size medium. I don't know if thread up will take those, but I'll give it a shot. These are brown, Simply Vera Wang, which is Kohl's, I believe. They're pretty worn brown leggings. Okay, now we have Made for Life. I've definitely seen that before. These are cropped leggings. Rue 21, size small, in the same pants, but size small. DKNY, like pull-on pants. They kind of remind me of like the Adidas track pants. Thread up. These are like Hanes. Fruit of the Loom sweats. I don't think thread up will take these, right? I would doubt it. I feel like because they don't take men's, they'd be like, those are men's, even though anyone could wear them, but they're a medium. If they were a large, I'd maybe like just keep them as a pair of sweatpants for myself, but this is an Adidas track jacket. That's odd. I'll list that. And here we have more Hanes sweatpants in pink. And these are also a medium. The elastic is pretty worn on those. I think these must be, yep, LuLaRoe. Some weird leaves. I think that's pair number 8. This looks halfway decent. Okay, Old Navy Stevie. I think we got another pair of those. That's cool. If they're the same size, I'll probably just bundle those up in my closet. Kahari Blue. I don't know that one. These feel nice, at least. Like they feel like a decent piece of clothing. Thread up. This is tiring. Shein. Kind of surprised this is the first thing we've gotten from Shein. I might try them at Play-Dohs just because they're like Christmas print. Here is this is on Varsity Spirit Tag, which is what like high school cheerleading uniforms are. So this is someone's cheerleading tank top. I'm guessing I can't do anything with this. That's funny. Sapphire Red. I like jeggings. Do you have a size XL? Okay, thread up can have those. size, I don't think, or anything. Just says XL. Oh, they're like these ones that were like very popular from TikTok. I'll try Play-Dohs and see if they're interested. These are jockey. They look super worn. Athletic again. I think we had a pair of these. I might try Play-Dohs for those because they're like yoga pants looking ones again. This is Coyoten, which I see at TJ Maxx all the time. They're like a jogger. Play-Dohs will probably take them. At least my Play-Dohs pile is decent sized. Champion, just plain black, cropped, thread up. These are Soho Curve. I don't know, thread up. And next we have nothing, no tag, just black. And these are Exhilaration, low rise black. Spirit Halloween. I don't think ThredUp will take them, will they? We're gonna try. Come on, give me something good. No Boundaries, jeggings. I have something on them. I don't know why I'm bothering because I'm just going to donate them anyway. This looks big. Fame for 15. I have no idea. It looks kind of like weird Y2K labels. They're not anything cute. These are Avia, which at least my Play-Dohs should take those. Even if I got ones all like that, which I would never pick up, but like at least they have a tag and stuff. These are Chico's. That's cool. I will probably try and list those myself. I don't always list Chico's, but since they're here. Kiki LaRue. I don't know that brand at all, but they look very low rise. They're 9, so they're something junior, so I'll take them to thread up. Oh, these are interesting looking. I just say small, medium. Interesting. They look like the, like, you know at your mall when there's a cart that sells like weird printed clothes, that's what those remind me of. And this looks like a skirt. Bobby Brooks, I don't know, it's like wide leg. Thread up. And more No Boundaries. I could try Play-Dohs. I really don't know if they take pants like that or if they just take like activewear leggings. These are Refuge. Not terrible. I don't know. Play-Dohs might take those. I've seen that brand there, but those are kind of like more from, you know, like 2015 or something like that. No Boundaries. No tag. And these are insanely worn. No tag. Rue 21. I'll try thread up. These are Miss Look. They have weird writing on them. What does this say? RKCE. It's not English. Okay, that's odd. I see that brand all the time in the thrift stores. I never pick it up, but I don't know why it has weird, like, Russian looking writing on it. No tag. Garage. Gray. I'll try thread up. Now we have some lightning bolt pants. These are new at tag from Forever 21. Interesting. Would not have guessed those were Forever 21. I'll try Play-Dohs. Some khaki. Oh, all right. These are Vince, which is a very high-end brand. They don't always resell for much, but certainly was not expecting that in this box. That's cool. And Gap Body, new with tags. I don't know if I'll sell these myself or just send them to Thrift Up. I don't know if they might say these are pajamas and not take them, so I might have to sell them myself. Style & Co. I'd send these in, but the tag is super worn, so I don't know if they'll take them or not. We're almost there. Okay. This, I don't see any tag. Oh, it's cut, whatever it was. They're not LuLaRoe, but they have LuLaRoe vibes. Maurice's. These are definitely a big size. They're an XL, but they look quite big, maybe because they're wide leg. They're like a stretchy pant. I will have to look up and see if Thrift Up takes Maurice's or not. If not, I will try Play-Dohs first. Gilly Hicks by Hollister, and they're new with tag. Okay. And they're like a trendy yoga pant. I will absolutely sell those. That's cool. These are tagless. Oh, there's something in here. Just says spandex. Got it. Cool. Okay. And here we have Faded Glory from Walmart. Okay. And these are more No Boundary. Very low rise, very worn. This does not look like pants. Premise, I don't know how you say that, but I've seen that a million times. I will send that to Thrift Up. These are very bright, whatever these are. Old Navy, neon, green. Try Play-Dohs. As You Are Sportswear. Anyone know that one? They have the tag at least. They are an extra small. Oh, they have like that butt ruching. Try Thrift Up. And these just have a big orange mark inside and no information. Okay. No Boundaries sweatpants. Might try Play-Dohs. These are Mossimo like jeggings. Not sure if Play-Dohs will take those. I wish that Thrift Up just still took them. These are Lauren Conrad. They're kind of like they would be see-through. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'll try Thrift Up. Silver, one size. I just don't understand how leggings can be one size. More Chicos, cool. These are also absolutely not leggings. These are like a literal pair of jeans, but okay, I'll sell them. These are more of those like fake denim. These are from Faded Glory. This looks like a shirt. Oh, it's pants. BCG cropped. Okay. These are an interesting color. Hot Mode. I think that's TJ Maxx or something like that. Try Play-Dohs. Just a lot of black left. Okay. Laura. jegging type pant. These feel they're just time and true, but they like, at least they're like a thick legging. Might try those on myself. What the heck is this? This has a weird waistband. It's like cut out. Looks like something's missing, but they have no tag or anything, so those are getting donated. Gap maternity shirt. That's weird. Okay. No boundaries tag cut out. I looked at that one already. Probably have like 10 pieces left. Thanks for hanging out with me and going through this torture. Bobby Brooks crop. You're probably saying, you knew your first box was bad. Why did you buy another one? I don't know. Great question. Will I possibly buy another one? Who knows? These are RBX. We'll see how this one goes with taking this stuff to Plato's, and those have a bleach mark on them. So they have a bunch of bleach marks. Those will just go in the trash. These are George tights, which is Walmart. And these are Moret. I don't know that brand. We are at 51 minutes of filming. I think my last one was like 56, so it's pretty much the exact same time. Warner's, I think we had some of these already. Thread up. These are Athletic again. I think we had that exact pair of pants already. This looks like, I think this is a skirt from Good Time USA. It's a skirt. Has a size, so I'll try that up. That's odd. These feel like faux suede. They have no information, just wash instructions. So donate. These are Old Navy sweatpants that look so old. I'll donate those. This is a pair of shorts by BCG, again, size large. These are Series 8. I don't know that one. Pair of bike shorts. Try Plato's. Tag has been cut. These are like shimmery. And these are Miley Cyrus. I didn't even know she ever made clothing. I'll try thread up, I suppose. These are like faux leather again. These are Shein. My Plato's will probably take them. We might have one last pair of LuLaRoe. Yep. These are an awful houndstooth print. That's 9. I honestly thought we were going to get more of that. These are Old Navy tie-dye. See if thredUP wants them, or if Plato's wants them. Mossimo. Little cropped low-rise. These are that yoga brand again, but these ones aren't yoga pants. Try thredUP. Last couple. Okay. These are Kim Rogers sweatpants. These are F&F. Not sure. Little floral pants. Try thredUP. And these are LuLaRoe. solid blue, that's 10. And last, oh, nope, I lied. We have 2 more. Okay, these are a pair of shorts from Grace Christian Academy. I have to imagine I can't do anything with those. And last is Yummy by Heather Thompson. All right, so, I mean, my goal was to get things for ThredUp. This is my massive ThredUp pile. I have probably like 12 things in the pile for myself, a pile for Play-Dohs. The donation pile is definitely bigger than I would have hoped for, but is what it is. Thank you for watching. I will try and let you know how this goes. Do I recommend this box? Probably not. I was definitely hoping for more activewear leggings than like this kind of legging or like tights. So that kind of is disappointing, but we'll see how it goes. Thank you.